I'm Adam. This is Sean.
This is Josh.
That's Josh. And we're here to admit to you that we stole Josh Dunn's drum set. All right, we didn't steal it, but we do have one of his drum sets here. And this is the Torch kit, the yellow acrylic kit made in collaboration with SJC Drums and Josh Dunn of 21 Pilots. And we're going to unbox it here today, give you guys a quick look-see, and then we're going to assemble it and post some pictures of it later today. So let's check this thing out. Nice
Certificate of authenticity.
Sure. We got decals. If you want to customize the Josh Dunn series kits, they give you a whole bunch of decals. So they also come with the snare drums. There are custom snare drums with this series in addition that come with these as well. And yeah, acrylic, yellow acrylic, which you don't see every day. Pop the mount out.
Mount out.
Mount out.
Check this out. Here we go. Here's the unveiling. I love acrylic drums.
Nice black powder coated hardware all
Adam,
around.
I love acrylic drums. Look at this.
Dang.
Most people ask, what do acrylic drums sound like? What do they sound like, Adam? They sound like drums.
They sound like drums. They sound just like
but they look
drums.
cool.
Check this out. Cool custom badge with the yellow and red logo.
Check this out.
This drum set comes with coated heads on top, clear on the bottom.
They match his drumsticks. Look
yeah,
at that.
There you go.
Ooh.
I know. You can really coordinate it up. Get the matching snare, get the drumsticks.
Oh yeah, he is.
Or if you guys are more about the aesthetics of matchy-matchy, but not quite matchy-matchy, you can get the red acrylic snare drum. So order this from us and get the red acrylic snare drum. Has the same matching badge, goes with the stuff, same hardware, but is a little bit different. I prefer that personally. I don't know about you, but
yeah,
I prefer
I think so.
A snare to complement the drums.
Compliment. You look
and not
very
be
nice
all
today.
matchy-matchy.
You look very nice today. You look very nice today. Oh,
well, thank you, snare drum. Thank you, snare drum. I think I look mighty fine today. Compliment each other. No, but we're really excited about this. This is our second yellow acrylic Josh Dunn kit that we've gotten in at the shop. The first one sold like that, and guess what? Ever since then, Josh Dunn has been nothing but smiling and giving us a thumbs up all the way.
Yeah.
So come on down, check out SJC. If you guys are familiar with SJC and you're like, wait a minute, that's a custom drum company. Not anymore. They don't just do that anymore. Now they're supporting local drum shops. We have access to SJC kits at much affordable prices, much more affordable prices than a lot of the crazy custom stuff. So it may not be a Slimer or Ecto 1 Ghostbuster set, but it's a really cool, unique set that is sure to turn a lot of heads. So come on down, drums, etc. We're stocking SJC, baby.